Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video right now. If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. I post videos related to beauty, lifestyle, fashion, DIY and much more than that. So make sure you're subscribed so that you never miss out any of my video whenever it goes live. So yeah, let's get to the main video. You know what is this video all about already? That's from trash to treasure. This is something I named it like because these are all the waste things which are I do a lot of craft, like whatever craft I do I have waste like the leftovers and all. So I thought let's pull this out and do something out of that. So here are the 4 DIYs projects which I came up with. Hope it was helpful and you like it. So without any further blabbering, let's get started. that was my take on today's video, guys. Hope you like it, hope it was helpful. If you like any of this, please let me know in the comments down below. I could love to read them. And if you have any suggestions, like video related suggestions or anything, please put it down. I could love to take your advices too. So yeah, and you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next.